Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to take control of your financial future? Look no further than freelance work. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your skills and passions into a profitable business. From finding clients to setting your rates, we've got you covered. So let's get started on making money as a freelancer. First things first, you need to identify what skills and talents you have to offer as a freelancer. Are you a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer? Whatever it is, make sure it's something you're passionate about and can see yourself doing for the long haul. Once you've figured out your niche, it's time to start building your portfolio. This is essentially a collection of your best work that you can show potential clients. Don't have any past projects to show? No problem. Create some sample pieces to showcase your skills. Next, you'll want to set your rates. This can be a tricky part of freelancing, but it's important too. Remember that you're running a business and need to charge what you're worth. Do some research on what other freelancers in your field are charging and use that as a starting point. Keep in mind that as you gain more experience and a larger client base, you can adjust your rates accordingly. Now that you have your portfolio and rates set, it's time to start finding clients. One of the best ways to do this is through networking. Attend industry events, join relevant online groups, and let everyone know that you're available for freelance work. You can also use job boards and websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr to find clients. Another great way to find clients is through social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. These platforms allow you to connect with potential clients, showcase your work, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Additionally, you can also use SEO techniques to optimize your website and increase your visibility on search engines. This will increase your chances of being found by potential clients who are searching for freelancers with your skills set. Remember to always be professional and responsive when communicating with potential clients, as this will help establish trust and build a strong working relationship. Once you land a client, it's important to set clear expectations and deadlines from the start. This will help avoid any misunderstandings or conflicts down the line. And always keep good records of all your work, including invoices, contracts, and any correspondence with clients. As you gain more experience, you can start thinking about expanding your business. This could include bringing on other freelancers to work with you, or even starting your own agency. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in starting your freelance journey. Remember to always keep learning and growing in your field, and never be afraid to ask for help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money as a freelancer. Now, go out there and turn your passion into profit.